Hi, I'm Carol Fox, and God willing, I will be the speaker at Unity this Sunday. We talk a lot at Unity about prayer and communicating with God, affirming the good rather than begging for something we don't have. But what about the other side of that conversation? How does God communicate with us? I think it's kind of like the radio. There's music and other news, everything coming over the waves all the time, but we don't hear it unless we turn on the radio. I think it's that way with God. We need to learn how to tune into God and the messages we're receiving all the time. This Sunday, I want to talk about how we can learn to recognize, understand, and benefit from those messages. I hope to see you there.